are packing for our Macau trip.
Hi, vlog.
You're so irreplaceable.
Guys, aray ko naman.
And everybody knows I want you, but I've always been.
Last namin punta dito was 2020 before the COVID pandemic.
Just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But
Hi guys! So, long time no vlog. Today is Feb 5, 2024 and we are packing for our Macau trip. I'm just preparing my toiletries. Actually, mga damit ko kasi majority yung nandun sa Manila. So, konti lang yung pinadala ko ng mga damit. And I decided to vlog para may intro na tong vlog na to. So, aside from the big reason kung bakit ako nag-missing in action, another reason pa is nasira guys yung laptop ko. Ang dami kong in-export na videos from my Insta360 camera. So, ewan ko ba, parang sabi daw, nag-overheat, ganon whatsoever. In short, yung repair niya, super mahal guys. Like, sa Apple service, Power Mac service sa Glorieta, ang quotation sa akin is 80,000 plus. Mas mahal na dun sa actual laptop. So, syempre, pinull out ko dun. And then, dinala ko sa Apple Clinic. And then, super mahal pa rin guys ng repair kasi kailangan i-replace yung buong logic board. Eh, for me, parang hindi na siya worth it. Bibili na lang ako ng bagong laptop kaysa magpa-repair. Although, ang plano ko sana talaga is bibili pa rin talaga ako ng bagong laptop. Tapos, pag napa-repair ko, papagamit ko dito sa office. Kaso, mukhang hindi na talaga. Kasi ang mahal talaga. I think yung quotation sa akin, nasa 40K na naman. So, anyway, palit ako yung toiletry bag ko na nakuha ko from Shopee. This one, I got it from Bag Smart. It fits a lot. Kaya, I'm very excited to pack my makeup and other burloloy. Since I'm traveling, I'm going to bring my Real Techniques na mga travel-sized brushes. Very handy to. Like, I've tried it before. Gamit ko to nung umalis ako. Pumunta ako ng Pampanga, pumunta ako ng Manila. And then, my forever favorite makeup brush. This is from Hourglass. So, double-ended siya. I use this for my cream blush from Chanel. Ang ganda. Super ganda ng combination na itong dalawang to. And then this one naman, I use this to blend my Flawless Filter with Skin Tint. And then, highlighter, eyebrow, Zing. This is my favorite brow product talaga. My blush from NARS. Siyempre, mga dinadala ko yung mga favorite ko, yung mga everyday must-haves ko yan. And then this, Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Super battered na ito guys, to the point na nag-fade na lahat ng mga stickers dyan. My compact powder, this is from Fenty. I always use this with this brush from Real Techniques. This is also my favorite, kaya napa-repurchase ako ng isa pa. I use this for setting my eyes, ganyan. Strokes na face sculpt. Actually, mali yung shade na nabili ko, but it still works for me and I love it. Kaya ito yung dadalihin ko. Film Star Bronze and Glow. My eyeshadow palette. My lip liners. This one is from Sunny's Face. Super ganda guys ng lip liner na to. Like, if you are looking for an everyday lip liner, ito na siya. Yung mga lip liners ko before are from Kylie Cosmetics, pero ang layo niya. Mas gusto ko to, yung sa Sunny's lang. And then this one is another lip liner. This is from NYX. Ito yung favorite lip liner ni Glamzilla. I'm also gonna bring my lip tint from Happy Skin and then from Dior. And then lipstick from Dior also. Hindi na magdadala ng eyeliner. kasi it's gonna be too much. I had my lashes done dito lang naman sa bahay. Nagpa-home service kami sa New Lounge. And then, my hairbrush from Tangle Teaser. Hi guys, it's currently 3:04 and we are going to the airport in a bit. I'm just wearing a very simple outfit. Mahilig na ako guys sa mga ganito. Ewan ko, masyado na akong tita vibes. Polo is from Zara. Then, leggings. Leggings from Lululemon. And yun lang. Now, I'm just drinking my beauty milk. Guys, nakompleto ko na yung mga beauty milk. Like, yung lahat ng flavors. Ang sarap na talaga eh. Like, can I just say? Kaya siguro tumataba. Ito, mango. Nung una, hindi ko to gusto. Like, nung weirdo na ako sa lasa. Pero, nung tumagal, ang sarap pala. Harper! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. What you doing?
Diba? Ang laki niya na.
Bye.
Where are you going?
At Manila.
You're going to Manila?
Yeah. Where?
Boracay! Nice.
No, Mars, Baba.
Okay. Okay. Sana makuha ko na yung laptop ko, guys. I mean, nagpa-reserve na ako sa Power Mac. So, sana mamay makuha ko na siya para, you know, maka-edit na ako. Hi guys, so di na ako nakapag-vlog last night because we just ate dinner and then we went home kasi close na rin si Greenbelt. But anyway, ngayon, punta kami ng Greenbelt. I'm gonna get my laptop finally! Sobrang comfy lang ng airport fit ko, guys. White button down lang and then may, you know, leggings. Tapos kung ano na lang na shoes later.
And drinks po, apat na rin para sa...
Having mental breaks, alone breakdowns ever since that day that you went and told me how it's just another game.
Hi, video. Go in here.
Yung vlogger po, nangungulangot.
You were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same.
Hi guys! We just got home and nagmamadali na kasi nga we are going to the airport in a bit. It's currently 3 p.m. Pero unbox ko lang itong aking... Uy! Dadalhin ko na kasi guys. Aray ko naman! Actually na-unbox na ng kuya. Harper! Ayun ako! Hindi na funny. So, ito siya, guys. Harper! Ay, wala na. Iwan na si Harper. Wag na isama. I got a MacBook Pro M3 in silver.
How long has it been? Feels like forever, noticing everything. Like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week.
Okay, so final call. Muntik na kami maiwan. Tapos, ina-announce na lahat ng pangalan namin.
More than a nuisance, what has it done to the world? Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means.
Harper, saan tayo?
Cover your face while we
Malamig.
team. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine. All of 19. Stay
Okay, room tour. Room namin to sa Sheraton. Yan, usually dito talaga kami guys nag-check-in every time we go here sa Macau. So ito yung bathroom, may toilet, sink, bathtub, shower area, a full-sized mirror. Yes, naglagay na ako ng jacket kasi ang lamig-lamig guys sa labas. Di ako prepared. Anyway, so ito naman yung sa room mismo. King-sized bed lang. Siyempre, ang kasama ko ay ang aking mother dear, my everything. And then, dito naman, pag mag-e-emote ako. And, check natin yung view. So, ito yung view sa labas. Studio City nandun. Mamaya, if lalabas pa kami, magja-jacket talaga ako. Yan lang guys, yung aming room tour. Meron pa palang parang sofa. Update ko na lang kayo guys later pag lalabas pa kami. Bagong renovate tong Sheraton. But, same lang din naman yung mga stores. Naghahanap kami food. So, punta kami sa top floor kasi nandun yung food court. Mga napagsarhan ng food court. Hanap na lang ng food. Pero halos closing na talaga kasi, hello, 11 na. 10 p.m. It's closed. It's a failed attempt. So, mananahimik na kami sa room. Good night. It's a wrap for today. Okay, joke lang. So, lumabas ulit kami kasi pupunta kami sa 7-Eleven. Ganda oh. Wow. Last naming punta dito was 2020 before the COVID pandemic. Yeah, it's been 4 years since nakapunta kami dito. Favorite country to ni mother and father. Well, actually, ng family. Punta kami guys, 7-Eleven to look for food. Kasi napagsara na kami dito ng mga restaurants. Baka wala na kami makainan. Ito na lang yung open. So, let's go.
We're in Macau, guys.
What are you gonna do today? Hi guys, good morning. It's our first actual day here in Macau. Actually, plan lang namin today is to go to the mall, go to Venetian, and maghahanap na rin kami talaga ng mga damit na medyo makakapal. Kasi hindi kami prepared. Like, super lamig dito guys. Nung nasa Manila kami, sinerch ko lang gaano kalamig sa Macau. Nasa 20 degrees Celsius, which is tolerable. Punta naman dito, it's 12 degrees Celsius. So, ang lamig-lamig talaga. By the way, I want to show you my tofu light. I got this from TikTok and it's supposed to be a light for when you film. I'm going to get ready. Hindi na ako guys magsa-sunblock kasi sa totoo lang, naiwan ko. And pangalawa, walang araw dito. Hey Mom. Good morning.
Ano naman eh? si Joy sa akin na permission ng ano yun.
Guys, currently 2:08 na. And di pa ako kumakain kami ni Mama. Nauna yung shopping nila. Pabalik kami ng hotel to drop off the things na pinamili nila. Outfit check pala guys. Di pala ako napag-outfit check. Outfit check, top is from Patton. Pants is from Mango. Then Golden Goose na sneakers. And then bag from Chanel. Shades from Gentle Monster. Sobrang gutom na ako guys. It's currently 2:57. Almost 3 p.m. Di pa ako kumakain. Manay Harper. Guys, shopaholic tong babaeng to, as in. Hi guys, so kakabalik lang namin sa hotel. Nagpapahinga lang kami kasi sobrang pagod na kami. Actually, it's already 6:30 in the evening. So, the whole day, hindi ako nakapag-picture sa ayan ng outfit. Mamaya, magdi-dinner kami sa... Actually, di ko nga alam kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Saan tayo magdi-dinner? Bahala na, update ko na lang kayo, guys. But, I'll just show you some of the things that I got. Kanina pumunta kami ng Zara nila mama. Tapos, si mama namili ng jacket niya kasi super lamig talaga dito. Tapos, hindi nga kami prepared. Ang ninipis sa mga dala naming damit. Ito yung matagal ko na rin yung nahanap. Like, nag-check ako sa COS, sa Zalora, ganon. Sa Zara website, wala. Pero dito lang ako sa Macau nakakita. So, yeah. Ito. It's just white. So, probably magagamit ko na rin to this trip namin. And then, I also got this parang corset top na may black detail lang dito.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much. I never know if you mean it. Can't seem to get involved.
Okay, after dinner, punta kami ng COD. Oh, ano, kumusta ang mga weather? Ano yung tsura nito? Tapos yung camera ko gumaganyan din.
Won't be temporary.